This is lesson 89 in the basic JavaScript section of freeCodeCamp. Today's lesson, accessing nested objects. The subproperties of objects can be accessed by chaining together the dot or bracket notation. Here's a nested object. So we have our storage, which is our object, and inside we have a key of desk with an object that has a key of drawer and a value of stapler. And then we have inside of our storage also a key of cabinet, which has this object of top drawer with a value of an object which has folder 1, a file, and folder 2, secrets. And then there's also this last key inside of our storage, which is bottom drawer, which has a value of soda. And this is how they access parts inside of that object. So if they want to get secrets, they would do our storage dot the key cabinet with the key top drawer with the key folder 2, and this would give us back the value secrets. And similarly, if we wanted to get stapler, we would go into our storage, we would do dot desk, because that's the key that contains drawer, which contains the value we want, stapler. Instructions: access the myStorage object and assign the contents of the glovebox property to the glovebox contents variable. Use bracket notation for properties with a space in their name. Okay, so we want what's inside of glovebox, which is maps. We want to save that value to this variable. So we want to get into glovebox. So first we have to start with the name of the object that we are trying to get into. So myStorage. And then we want to get into the glove box. So once we're in myStorage, we want to go inside of car, because that's where the glove box is. So we would do dot car. So then once we're inside car and we're inside of here, we want to say actually here that we're at. So now we're inside of car. We want to get into the glove box. So to get there, we have to go inside. So not outside, but inside, because that's inside is what contains the value that we're trying to get to. So dot car, then dot inside. So now we're inside. What key are we trying to get to? The glove box. So we can't use dot notation there because there's a space inside of glove box. And you can't do like that, or I mean, that won't work. And that's why we use bracket notation. So inside, now we can do glove box. And that actually should be it for this lesson. That is assigning maps inside of the variable glove box. So glove box content should equal maps. Use dot and bracket notation to access myStorage. And we have done all that. That is it for this lesson.